Hello everyone and welcome to our BRC Packaging Issue 6 on-demand webinar. This has been recorded on the 29th of August 2019. My name is Alison Jospeh. I have worked with SAI Global for a number of years as a course tutor and I am approved by the BRCGS to deliver the BRCGS's range of packaging courses. Today we are going to be running through what's changed with regards to Issue 6 of the BRC Global Standard for Packaging Materials. We'll cover about the standard, the aim of the standard, and in brief, what's new. This standard has been developed by working groups and steering committees made up of representatives from retailers, manufacturers, trade associations and certification bodies from around the world. In December 2018, the consultation process to update Issue 5 started, and taking on board user feedback, Issue 6 was published on the 1st of August 2019. Training will commence for ATPs in September 2019, followed by auditors and sites in October, which is the earliest it can take place, and the dates of currently scheduled courses with SAI Global will follow. The first audits against Issue 6 will commence in February 2020. The aim of the BRCGS Packaging Materials Standard applies to the production of packaging materials for conversion or printing, operations that supply packaging materials from stock where additional processing or repacking takes place, the manufacture and supply of other unconverted, semi-converted and used or incorporated materials. It applies to all packaging applications and all levels of the supply chain. It provides a robust set of requirements ensuring the production of safe, legal, authentic and quality packaging. So what is new? The standard was previously known as the BRC Global Standard Packaging and Packaging Materials, but is now known as the BRC Global Standard Packaging Materials. In addition, the BRC underwent a rebranding exercise in February 2019, and this is now reflected. The two specific hygiene categories, high hygiene and basic hygiene, have been removed, leaving just one set of requirements available. It now requires manufacturers to determine which hygiene requirements as stated in the standard are applicable to their site based on risk and ensure appropriate controls are in place to meet those requirements. The standard is aligned with the proposed GFSI benchmarking requirements. Just two audit options are available for Issue 6, announced or unannounced. The option of an unannounced split audit is no longer available. This option was the one where the unannounced Part 1 focused on GMP factory-based aspects, whilst the announced audit Part 2 focused on documentation, records and procedures. There are lots of changes ranging from the new additional sections and clauses to parts that have been moved around for clarity or have been reworded. In essence, the new requirements place an importance on product safety and culture with tighter process controls to provide a quality product. The list is not exhaustive but gives a brief insight into some of the new and significant changes. 1.1.2 is a new clause which aligns with the food safety standard and requires site management to define and maintain a product safety and quality culture plan. This clause will not be auditable until 1st of February 2021, allowing sites the time to implement the requirements. 3.6 has been added in its entirety and is a new fundamental clause. It focuses on continuous improvement, ensuring the safety of the product and consumer. There are now 9 fundamental clauses within the standard, all highlighted and marked with the star symbol. 3.8 has also been added in its entirety and relates to the risk of purchasing fraudulent raw materials. 4.8.5 was previously a position statement for Issue 5 and has now been included in Issue 6. It requires a programme to be developed if needed based on risk. If a programme is needed, it should consider pathogens, spoilage organisms and/or indicator organisms. 410.2 is a new clause and regards the management of process waste so to minimise its release to the environment and is not limited to pellets, flake, powder, dust or offcuts. The requirements of the Traded Products Additional Module have been included at Section 7 within the standard as opposed to being a standalone document as per Issue 5. If this section is not included by a site where it is applicable, it will be listed as an exclusion on the audit report. So if you want to learn more about the changes to the BRCGS Packaging Materials Standard, SAI Global are running a series of Issue 6 conversion courses. Here are the dates of the courses that we are currently offering. You can contact our sales team by email or by telephone for a chat about your training needs and to find out more information. You can also visit our website. Courses can also be delivered by our course tutors at your site. Thank you for watching this on-demand webinar and I hope you have found this of interest. Please do contact SAI Global for more information. Thank you.